Help me, I stuck. I stuck. Bryson. Bryson, help me, I stuck. Help me, help me. Bryson, help me. I stuck. Help me, help me. Help me, help me, help me. I stuck. Help me, help me. I stuck. I stuck. Come here. Come here. Help me, help me, help me. I stuck.
I'm mad he's pushing the thing but trying to pull me at the same time.
Help me, help me. I stuck. I stuck. You know help me. You know stuck? I stuck. Help me, help me, help me. I stuck. Help me.
Be careful.
That's how you help me? Help me, help me, help me. Hey, you tried to kill me.
Bryson, what's the real?
Yes. Cereal, cereal, cereal. Is that glass on the floor over there?
Yes.
Pick it up.
Anybody got time?
Shut up, Ebony. Help me, help me, help me. I tuck. No, don't turn the channel. No. It's a good movie. Excellent motherfucker. Uh-oh, my booty. Wow. How dare you?
Here, boo. See your CEOs. Come on, Little Wayne is not in this movie.